Namaste, this is Gaurav from IHM Hajipur. First of all, I want to say thanks to Nihal Oja for giving me opportunity to share my industrial training experience with you guys. Few days ago, I just completed my industrial training from the Goa Jury White Sand Resort and Casino. So in this video, I share some real face of industrial training, basically freshers who are confused कि IT कहाँ से करें, कैसे करें, बहुत काम कराएगा, कौन सा होटल अच्छा रहेगा. सो दिस थिंग्स आर बेसिकली सेज हाउ इन आवर लैंग्वेज. आप किसी भी होटल से करो IT, किसी भी स्टार ग्रेडिंग के होटल से, 3 स्टार 4 स्टार 5 स्टार डजेंट मैटर देयर. यह ब्रांड्स मैटर चलता है बट सही है, आप कहीं से भी करो चलेगा. इन द IT पीरियड आई थिंक यू get more knowledge about yourself. What's your potential, what's your highs, what's your lows, where you broke yourself, what's your stamina, and what's about all about yourself. So this is the reality of industrial training, nothing more. And another thing is, what is the benefits of industrial training? During IT days, you learn how to hotels work, what is the way or a procedure to run a smoothly hotel. So this thing you learn during your IT days. And one more thing I want to highlight it here, how to face the guest, and lots of things is there, but how to face the guest is main, because when you face the guest first time, you're just little bit confused and you make a mistake, because I do that. Approx everyone do a mistake during IT days, and there is a one good and a very good thing about industrial training, that you have to able to make a mistake, because when you join a industry as a job holder, then you are not able to do a mistake there. Okay, so this is the basically or most important thing or most important benefit of industrial training. In my point of view, IT makes duffer person towards a smart person. One thing I say with guarantee, after IT you are able to face anything which makes you panic before IT, like long hour shift, long hour study, including basically the work of your home. You are just remove your phobia from IT. There is one more thing, what loss you get if you don't do industrial training. In my point of view, in this case, you lost everything or a prestigious moment of your hotelier career, because if you do a long shift like 18 hour to 18 hour or more than 18 hour, that on that time you enjoy yourself, you learn many things. So सच बोलूँ तो IT पे ये पता चल जाता है और ITs को ये पता होता है मैनेजर से ज़्यादा अच्छा से कि होटल में क्या हो रहा है और कैसे करना है हमें. ठीक है. So if you miss your IT, so you gonna miss that thing. One more question is there, which type of question asked during IT interview. So guys, in this point I want to say only one thing, that is interviewer only wants to check your communication skill and a confidence to serve yourself in front of any person. So there is no any chance to get nervous for this. यस आई नो सीनियर्स बोलते हैं कि ये आपसे ये पूछेगा इंटरव्यूअर, आपसे वो पूछेगा इंटरव्यू, बट इन माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, इफ इंटरव्यूअर आस्क 5 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम यू एंड यू गट नॉट गिव अ आंसर ऑफ 4 फ्रॉम दैट, not a big deal. You got selected, but you have a confident, you have a better communication skill over there. So ऐसा कुछ नहीं कि क्वेश्चंस आपको सारे के सारे जवाब देने पड़ेंगे. आप जो आता है वो बोलो, नहीं आता है इंटरव्यूअर को ये बता दो. तो दिस इज़ द कॉन्फिडेंस और दिस इज़ द कम्युनिकेशन स्किल विच इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इन होटल इंडस्ट्री. बट you have to be confident, not overconfident, because overconfident spoil everything. After this, the one thing also come in our mind, what is the duration of ITs. So I just want to say our council, that is National Council of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, are think about this. So we guys are no worry, no have any ideas to what is the duration of our IT. Basically it is in 17 week, but in my time it is a 12 week. मेरे बाद वालों ने 8 वीक या 4 वीक 5 वीक भी करके आए, तो ऐसा कुछ ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आई का जो ड्यूरेशन होगा वो कितना होगा, बट बेसिकली आप 17 वीक तो मान के चलो. One more thing came in a mind, why people leave industry between IT or after IT. So for this I want to give a statement that these guys are not dedicated or passionate about the work, and one thing is that their motivation and confidence comes down during the IT time. So you should maintain your motivation. You have to make a motivated your mind or your body also during the IT days. और सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत बहुत मैटर करता है, तो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस पे अच्छा ध्यान देना है. दैट इज़ द बेसिकली थिंग्स आई थिंक what is in industrial training on how to get experience from there. Learn, just go any type of property, but just learn there. Okay, thanks for watching this. I hope you guys feel relaxed after this video. Thanks for this and have a nice day.